The wolf hunt. Wolves have to hunt. For them, it is quite a stunt. First, they go and stare at the deer. This fills the creatures with fear. Then the deer begin to run, and the hunt has begun. The wolves pick up the pace, and so begins a furious chase. Then a wolf, with all his might, caught up to a deer and gave her a bite. The deer kicked the wolf really hard. The wolf went flying almost a yard. The wolf went up for a flight. It was really quite a sight. The wolf went through the air with a flash and landed on the ground with a great big crash. Another deer stood up to fight, with hooves that shone as black as night. He kicked a wolf and gave a bellow. He was really quite a strong fellow. The wolves passed him by. He was not their pick. They wanted a deer who was old and sick. Then they found the perfect prey. It would be the kill of the day. The wolves then closed in, each one thinking of the pups in the den. If they could bring it down, there would be meat for all, even the pups who were very small. Then a wolf attacked as he leapt through the air and bit down hard into deer hair. The deer screamed and shook her back. Then did all the other wolves attack. There was fighting and biting and a great deal of kicking as the wolves gave the deer a licking. Then, as all the other deer fled, lay the wolf's deer, who was dead. That night there was meat for all, even the pups who were very small.